Hey, good morning. There's Clint Baker and
Dave Baker
from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. And what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to start pulling the rest of this honey off, and it looks like we're going to maybe start getting our treatments done. And yeah, that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to work hard today.
And guess what? Look around.
It's raining.
It's raining right now. So we thought at first it was mist, or I did, and then I was informed that it's raining right across the river. So, but
I think it's going to blow out of here in maybe about an hour.
Yeah, I do too. And what is it? Some people say real beekeepers do it in the rain, right?
The beekeeping
So,
doesn't say
hey,
that.
look at the little hummingbirds. See it?
Huh.
Anyway, all right, we'll stick around. That's what we're planning to do today, hopefully today, but we've got all weekend. All right, so we're not fussing about the cool weather. It is actually, I think when we started this morning, about 65 degrees roughly. It was raining. Now it isn't raining. It's still overcast and still pretty cool. But the fume boards don't work as well in this weather. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the old leaf blower. And so that will be strong enough to blow them all out of here. Then I can shake them a little bit and then put them in here and get ready. David will be back here shortly. He just had to step away, and then maybe it'll be like yesterday. He'll come back when I'm about done here. But anyway, let's get with this and see what we can do here. What kind of destruction we can do. No, this does not hurt the bees. It may make them a little upset, but it does not hurt them. I always hit them from both sides. It seems to work a little bit better that way. All right, since there is so many bees not even out yet today, I'm going to change my strategy just a smidge and shake in place. So one of the things I did want to do is, I know David and I had discussed just trying to pull everything that was here that was ready and letting them continue to do their thing with the next flows that are coming in. So I'm just checking to see on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually leave this one on, and I'm just going to shake them and then place them in the box here. And in that way, some of these don't have anything in them, but we're going to go ahead and pull them and spin them and use them at the next yard for replacements. And this is why beekeeping is so unknown sometimes. You know, you think, oh, we're going to do this, it's going to be a beautiful day. Then you come out and it's raining, and you got to regroup on how are you going to pull the honey and so forth and so on, because this isn't our full-time job yet, but we still have to get this done when we can get it done. get as much done as I can while he's gone, just so we don't fall behind today. I need to get my brush, and I probably will here before I get into the next one. And one more, and then I am going to treat this one. And again, 2 per. Per box. I'm sure some are going to ask, why aren't you smoking the bees? Well, I really would rather not if I don't have to. So far, they're not working that hard that I'm gonna have to. So, all right, now let's just let them calm down. We'll take our time since we're waiting anyway. We'll just take our time on this. Let them get reorientated and a little less aggravated, and then we'll go to the next one. I'm gonna carry these. What we said. Empty. I'll set it back here in case they want to rob Peter to pay Paul. This is definitely red and such. Looks like she's laying in there too. I say we just leave this one for. Yep, I can plain to eat. Oh, I think that's all honey. What? I don't see any. All right, I don't feel any. Here. Now, we're down to that one.
We're down to that one.
Yeah. For this yard. And ready to move. Yeah.
If we just even out our bottom to top,
Yeah.
that way comes back at some point, then we can do it without,
Gotcha, yeah. I know this is unconventional for some folks, but I would almost like to do what you're saying and either go to those 2 pallets where you don't have to have a bottom board, or in the places we can't do that, go to the bottom boards that the fronts are even with the front and no landing strip. No? Okay.
I got it caught on.
I was noticed it wasn't your glove. It must have been your gloves. I was noticing. That's something you would like about these. Did you not get a pair of these?
No, I was going to. And we never called for that snowstorm we got on.
Okay. Yeah, I really. Now, when I first put them on, they were tight as a banjo string, but they formed great. Apis Tactical gloves. We don't get paid for that, but he could use a pair of free gloves. Kind of the same with the next one down too. You don't really know, do you? Oh, it's kind of heavy. Huh? Your other's laying on the, you know? It's right here on the back here, tailgate. And then I got mine if we need it. I need to get another one, another battery. But you ended up, you got a weed eater and that, don't you? And of course, I think the battery is probably as much as the freaking tool. Yeah, or $3.99 for the daggone battery. So basically, we pulled all the honey that we wanted to, the excess honey.
Yep.
And we were prepping them to move them because this is the yard that's going to be moved out towards Sissonville, or we may divide them. We're still up in the air on that. Anyway, but this is the one that's going to be moved. So we got them prepped. They're all down, pushed down into 2 double deeps. Once we move them, we'll check and see it. And we treated them with just one, what was it? Formic acid. And then once we move them, we'll remove that formic acid, and then we will put them where we're at, see if they need any supers. Probably not, and get them ready for the winter.
Yeah, I'd say we'll just probably get, when we get them out there after we remove the formic acid, just go ahead and start getting them ready for winter.
Okay.
We'll start building her brood and making sure we don't have any that are queenless. All these are queen, right? So we're good there.
And I don't know what they're talking about, them being grumpy, because
Exactly.
I didn't get stung.
Yeah, well.
I mean, David and Travis are having issues with these out here, but
we had a good day with them today. We need to go through and reclaim a few of these. They get like at times. So, all right, well, we got that one knocked out. Let's go move on to the next one.
All right, let's do it.
All right.